So shout out to Central Florida Paddlers. What's up? Because of everybody posting about Silver Springs, we last minute decided to try to grab a campsite, and we got the last campsite for Friday night, so we're going camping. Silver Springs, here we come. Don't forget to follow. So check it out. We got our war bonnet, blackbirds, hammock set up. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, this is the way to camp. We've got our Superfly up here. This is our rain fly. We've got our bridge line for our hammock. Now our hammock, I like orange. And then our underquilts down here. I loved this snow camo. I thought it looked really cool, so you can't even see them. All right, guys, who can spot our hammocks? Alrighty, guys, so we are here. Tomorrow morning, we're going to park here and then run our kayaks all the way up to here. And then paddle, 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 paddle. Paddle, 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 paddle. Good morning. It's raining. We got a little wet. It's all right. But we made a porch. Say hi.
Hi.
So even though we had to deal with torrential rain this morning, and my rain fly didn't exactly work 100%, it's still leaking, and actually it's in front of me. I don't think I sealed it right, as you can see. But despite all of that, surprisingly, I'm still super relaxed, and I was actually really comfortable last night, so. I'm recording the coffee boiling. We're making coffee. I always do that. I start talking before it's actually recording. Anyways, so I do want to point out that the rain flies did their job, but it was torrential rain last night. Say it again? No. Oh.
Not walking, please.
She's hiding because she doesn't want to say anything on camera. No? Really?
Oh.
So for further explanation, because she doesn't want to say it, I have to say it, is her seams were sealed correctly. I did both of them, but her seams were sealed correctly and mine were not. So that's why I got more wet than her. Oh my God, when it rains, it pours. So we did figure out that the walk is going to be a little bit far. So one thing that we did was we threw together a couple carts.
Safety first. I'm putting the life vest on the gallon of tea.
Went to Home Depot, got a little bit of PVC and some pool noodles and some wheels, strapped them down, and should be good. So we're at the kayak launch on Silver Springs, and this is the one that's near the campsites and the museum. If I were you guys, I'd just drive up to the head spring. That was a 3/4 mile journey from hell. Yeah, so now that we're on the river, I can kind of tell you guys that 3/4 of a mile wasn't. So the dollies that we made didn't work, and that made the 3/4 mile walk so much worse, because every 100 feet or so, they'd fall apart. Turtles. Duck. Oh, that's a big old fish. Bye, turtle.
Is there a gator on the other side of that?
Yeah. There's a couple in the next few little things.
Okay, bye. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. We had a lot of fun out there, even though it didn't really seem like it sometimes, especially with the torrential rain. It is what it is. It's part of the experience, right? Anyways, if you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook at Backyard Kayaking and on TikTok at Backyard Kayaking, and we'll see you next time. Happy paddling.